Right, so what I'm doing, I'm just literally finishing off as you rejoin me. So I've stuck all the elements that I've wanted to in place. Okay, and we're just using some of that beautiful wax there just to really accentuate the detail. So even though we've already gone over in black acrylic, then wiped it off, just adding that wax just makes it really stand out. So we're just going to use some 3D glue. Again, we're just going to affix that one just there. Okay, and again, just move those around. I've just got another leaf there, so just sticking those directly onto, this is the inside cover as such. We have some beautiful butterflies, so let's just place one there, I think. We put another one over the other side like so, and then we have our little bumblebee. So we're going to stick the bumblebee on top of our border here, so we're just going to place him there. Then we have two crowns, again like the front cover, so we're going to place one there and another one just there, and then we have our laurel wreath, and we're going to place that one here. Okay, so let's just place that one down there, and that is all of the detail that we want to put on there. Maybe we could put some little pearl drops there. I think that will do. Let's just get rid of our wax, and this is our finished project. So this is using the Gatefold card. Okay, and you can see all the beautiful detail there. Really is brought to life using those molds. And like I say, then the idea is it's actually then closed up like so, and then using the ribbons, we then just tie a bow. And I am renowned for tying the most awful bows in crafting, but I shall give it a go. So that's the best I can do. Right, so the detail of the crown. Okay, so what I'm going to be using here is an oil. So like I say, it can be basically something like a baby oil or a bit of sunflower oil that you'll find in your kitchen, that sort of thing. It's just to help release all that tie detail, and I'm really bending that mold. Okay, so we're just going to place the clay in there. We're going to use my Dresden tool just to make sure that all of the clay goes into all of the little nooks and crannies there. So a little bit more clay. Okay, and just press that down. Okay, using the Dresden tool, but it could be a ball tool if you should so wish. Okay, and then when you're happy that there's enough clay in there, if you then just start to pull that back inside of the actual mould, or the top part like so, and then you should be able to just flex the mould right back on itself, and then just lift that out very carefully, and there you go. You then have the little crown, okay, straight from the mould, with all of the amazing detail that you can actually see there.